You know that feeling in White Lotus where something small happens at the beginning of episode 1, which by the finale hits you like a brick? That is not coincidence. That is setup, payoff, and the Chekhov's gun working overtime. Hi, I'm Shrishti. I'm a filmmaker who writes, and I'm going to be breaking down screenwriting concepts using films and series that you have hopefully watched. This is part 1. Let's begin from the beginning and let's talk about setup. Setup is the art of planting a seed quietly. It is that moment in season 1 where Shane is complaining about not getting the pineapple sweet. And you feel in that moment that this character is just a spoiled brat being difficult. But eventually you realize that that very moment was the catalyst that made Armin double book him, that caused his humiliation and caused the spirals of rage that led to a death. And that is why setup is not just information, it is a promise to the audience that something is going to happen. And there is no setup without a payoff, because payoff is where that promise explodes. It is that moment in season 2 where Cameron is casually flirting with Harper at dinner, and initially it feels like there's nothing there. But eventually, as the season progresses and the energy builds up, we're all left wondering, did they hook up? Now, that moment itself acts as a pressure cooker for Ethan and Harper's marriage to come under the lens, and us witnessing ego battles, trust, and desire being questioned between the two of them. That's why payoff sometimes is not loud, it is just the way we see someone is made to change. And lastly, the Chekhov's gun, which is basically a fancy way of saying that unless something matters in the bigger picture, don't show it to me. If you show me a gun in Act 1, it better go off by Act 3. There's an example of this in the season 3 of The White Lotus that has been shot in Thailand. And if you haven't watched it, please do. And tell me, did you catch the Chekhov's gun? I chose The White Lotus for part 1 because it is a show where every detail matters. Setups whisper, payoff punch, and the Chekhov's gun makes me want to watch the entire season again so I can catch the signs where they came. Now, in episode 2, I'll be talking about red herrings, misdirection, and tension in a screenplay using the films of Hitchcock. So if you like this, follow me at Hum Heroine and keep watching for more. Bye.